In this episode, we will see how firecrackers are made inside the factory. Firstly, the process starts with the raw materials. Next, the cardboard tubes are filled with clay and are pressed to make a 7-shot firecracker base. Next, the tubes are kept in sunlight to dry. Now, 2 types of gunpowder are filled in the tubes to burst out in 7 shots. Once the tubes are filled, they are sealed by pressing 2 small pieces of paper. After that, both sides of the tubes are sealed using glue, cardboard coins and paper. Next, the colourful paper with the cracker's name is wrapped over the tube. And here, the 7-shot firecrackers are almost ready. But next, the firecrackers are punched to apply a fuse. After punching, the fuse is installed in the tube. Here, the 7-shot firecrackers are ready to celebrate Diwali or any of your special days. Lastly, the prepared 7-shot firecrackers are put into a box. Finally, the box is packed using adhesive tape. On the other side of the factory, the small tubes are filled with gunpowder. Then a fuse is applied and sealed using wet clay to make the crackers. Then shiny paper is attached to the larger tubes. Next, the small tube with the fuse is inserted into the big tube. At last, stickers are applied to the crackers. Finally, firecrackers are ready to burst.